my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be non-phone data entry. It is in the healthcare field. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Episource. On Glassdoor, they have 395 reviews, and they have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a data entry associate. Now, this is full-time remote for the United States only. They pay anywhere from $17 to $18 an hour, and this is specifically data entry for Medicare. So they are looking for somebody to log into the Medicare internet portals for the purpose of inputting or data entering, typing detailed information for direct Medicare submissions and Medicare administrative contractor portal entry. You'll be responsible for entering healthcare diagnosis data to improve accurate claim submission for healthcare organizations. So some of the things you'll be doing is entering the client data from the source documents within time limits into the electronic portals. You'll review the data for completeness and accuracy. You'll gain access to the online portals to prepare for computer entry. You'll review any errors in the data and correct those as needed. You'll maintain a detailed and organized storage system to ensure reporting is complete and accurate. And of course, you'll maintain the ability to work in an environment where PHI, which is private health information, is protected and nobody else but you can see it. Now, there may be times when you'll need to troubleshoot, investigate, and research any technical issues while involving appropriate internal support parties. So it's basically just straight data entry from the documents into the online portal. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they're only requiring a high school diploma, although some college is always preferred. It is not required. They do want somebody who has 1 year or more experience in some kind of data entry or data management. Someone who has a valid United States Social Security number, someone who can be detail-oriented, has that private home workspace, and has fast typing skills with great communication skills. Now, on top of the $17 to $18 an hour, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, voluntary life, all of those types of insurances, 401k with a company match, and of course, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you are looking for in the comments, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.